Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can boost views and subscribers on your Telegram channel. And all you need for this is a new unique service. What is the point of that service? It generates auto views for your channel. But what is it? Let's take an example. So this is your empty Telegram channel, you can share some post. And the service automatically started processing your new post, increasing views. Why this is soft is so unique? Because you can set it up as detailed as possible. For instance, the number and range, the speed. So now I'm going to show you how it works. First, we copy a link to our channel. Here is the tests that I have already done. I think it can be removed, there is no point. So here we enter a channel link and there we enter a desired number of views. I enter 10,000 for test for the better explanation. The speed per hour. I think the maximum 1800 views per hour is okay. The number of days. What is the point of that service? The more days you use that service, the greater the discount. The number of views also affects the discount. So you have to set up the number of views that you really need. Let's return 10,000. Look, if you enter 1 day, then the cost will be $1.41. If you enter 7 days, then the cost will be lower, just $1. For 30 days, the cost is 70 cents. That is half the price compared to the price for 1 day. Let's take 1 day for a test. I have $4 on my account. Startup time. Here we can mark now, which is what I usually do. I launch it when I need it, but you can also set any time you want to start. Next is the non-working hours setting. This is useful if you want, for example, stop increasing views at night. Here you can set the break time from and to. Next, adjust the speed outside working hours. Here we enter 23 hours and here 7:30 in the morning, and set the speed to 200. This means that during the day you post proceeding as you enter it, and at night the speed drops to 200 per hour in a natural way. And as soon as morning comes, the speed returns to its usual value, and so on. I think it's clear. Here comes the slow-mo mode. This is truly a unique feature. What is the point of that mode? We turn it on and see the settings sliders. What exactly does all these do? For example, we need 10,000 views. What does 24% mean? All these settings are interconnected. Now, for example, I'm changing them. But what is all this for? When you release a post, initially your view rate goes with this desired value. What happens when this value is reached? In our example, 20% of 10,000 is 2,000 views. Once a post gets 20% of the desired views, the speed drops to that index, for example 500 an hour. You can change this speed, enter any other. In the range of 20% to 70%, the speed is exactly that. In our example, up to 7,000. And after this threshold, the speed drops to 200. In other words, it is complete realistic imitation of the human behavior, like the real people do. A fresh post is interesting to everyone, and it has the maximum number of views. People receive notifications, they go and read the post. But then the views naturally drop, less and less, and finally, when more than a day has passed, the speed is already minimal. Let's see how it all works. Now I have disabled the slow-mo setting. I hope everything was clear. If something remains unclear, you can see the instructions in this section. You will find more information there. So, for example, I enter 5,000 views. The settings are set. The calendar is optional. But you must log in. When you visit the site, the service looks like this. I recommend login firstly. So I press the start button. Our order has started. Now we can take a look. By the way, the settings for members are similar. Let's go to members. Enter the link to the channel. You can enter both open and closed channels. Number of members, speed per hour. All the same. You can choose disabled notifications. This is for statistics, if you need it. My orders menu contains information about all your orders. There is a button to return the order to work. And by clicking this button, you can change the settings of an existing order. Checking our post. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to start. After that, the service starts processing our posts automatically. So the first views begin to be added. I choose the low speed, though there are not many of them yet. Here you see an increase in views. Alright, thank you for watching. The link is in the description of the video.